Gas versus induction. This is one of those objections where facts alone will lose you the sale. So this one's emotional, right? Because gas is tradition, but you don't beat tradition with argument. You actually have to beat it with proof. So the first thing you need to do is match emotion with performance. So start by agreeing, right? Yes, gas feels powerful. Then you want to show them how induction is power, right? Faster boil, tighter simmer, instant control. Say something like, you're not losing performance here. You're actually gaining precision. Then second, you want to sell consistency, not just the speed of the whole thing, right? So with gas, flame fluctuates, but with induction, power delivery is digital. So that means it's exact and repeatable and clean. So you want to say something like, every time you sear or simmer, it's going to perform the exact same way, not just close enough like we're accustomed to with gas. Then lastly, reframe progress as the advantage. Induction isn't the future here. It's really the next level. So you're not changing how you cook. You're really upgrading what you can do. So close with something like, I know this is a tough decision, but in my experience, people never miss the flame upgrading to induction because they're avoiding all of the inaccuracies that come along with it. Let us know in the comments how often you hear this objection on the floor and how you handle it. And if there are any other customer hurdles you want us to break down in a future video, drop those in the comments too. See you next time.